Hey, what's up guys? Kat right here. So I'm here to help you beautify your home and yard and have fun doing it. And today we will be beautifying a very large stump with a wisteria plant just to make it kind of pop and grow. So stick around. So this is our very large tree stump, which is a box elder bug tree. I always called it a box elder bug because man, these things bring those bugs, and when there's just thousands of box elder bugs, you'd really just grow to hate them. But I really love this tree for a wonderful time. It was very huge in our yard. You'll have to watch that video us chopping it up because this thing basically got all rotten on the inside. Ooh, if you can see that. Yeah, and then it just fell right over. We did record it, so watch that video. There are 5 steps to this project. Number 1 is the planning. Number 2 is the purchasing. Number 3 is the layout. Number 4 is the planting. And then number 5 is wrapping the vine. Okay, here we go. Step 1, we gotta get this thing all measured out. We got it all measured out and planned. Now we go to the nursery. We are on step 3, which is basically planting all these wonderful plants that we've purchased. And Josh is starting with the digging over there so we can beautify this box elder stump. So stick around, we got some work to do.
We're putting 4 wisteria vines around the trunk of this bad boy, and we twist them around him. Because he's ugly, but he's a cool shape, right?
Well, I'm excited to see it because this stump needed a little love, and wisteria is a perfect thing to give it for love.
Sounds good.
So it's getting kind of dark out here. I've got one more wisteria plant to plant, and then I have the other ones around the base. So I think I'm just gonna plant the wisteria, then I'll come back another day and finish the rest. So I'm out here on a different day. Very nice out here, very beautiful. I've got the wisteria planted around the large box elder stump, and then I just have to plant these extra ones. Oh yes, get this planted. Okay guys, I just got 10 plants planted. I don't know if I've ever planted that many plants in such a small period of time, but hey, I got it done. I'm a little tired, so I think I'm gonna go take a small break. The next step to this project is to wrap the wisteria around that large stump and hide as much of the stump as possible. Well, it's getting a little dark out here. I'm still gonna be wrapping this stump. Hopefully I can get it done before dark. Okay friends, well I am all done with this project. I am so pleased with this because we got this all done. Wisteria is gonna be wonderful around this because wisteria gets so big and thick and strong. It'll just hide this large stump. We also got the yucca plants back there and then our blue rug junipers. I was so pleased with that. So if you're thinking of wrapping a stump in your yard, I would give it 2 thumbs up for that wisteria. So remember, work hard, play hard. We'll have a wonderful day. We'll see you on the next project.